Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Naws.AI token. Now the Naws token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting October 8th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a Telegram that you could follow at Naws Official that has 177,721 members. That is a lot of Telegram members. So it says AI, DPIN, meme, P2P payments, aggregator, etc. So that Telegram there is going to be a great place to talk to other community members about the project, ask questions, learn more, that type of thing. And then their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. Over here, you could find a link to their Telegram that I was just talking about, their Discord, they have a products page, and they have their webpage, Naws.AI. You can see it's a big project, 94,800 Twitter followers. They just joined in January 2024, so fairly new project. Blue verified checkmark, 287 posts. And it was just announced that this token will be listed for trading October 8th at 7 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Gate, or Gate.io. So if you're looking to get the Naws token, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at Gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search NAWS when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go to their webpage, it says you can sell ELF token, D-Mail, ETH, C98, SOL, Pendle, and you could buy, and then it lists a whole bunch of tokens as well. ETH, BUSD, USDC. Sellers can sell any token they wish to receive, and buyers can purchase the token that they prefer. Our AI aggregator will discover new values for altcoins. Try selling whatever you have. So basically, you put up what you got for sale, and somebody may potentially buy it. So they have Naws Quests. It says join Naws Quest. They have the Naws.AI aggregator, AI-powered digital contents aggregator for easy peer-to-peer payments. They have the Smart AI. So the AI finds the best price for digital contents and saves you the money and payments. AI filtering. AI verifies the content being sold for duplication and harmfulness to ensure only safe content is sold. And safe swaps. So all transactions are authenticated on-chain to ensure secure and transparent transactions. So they have here the swap anything. You could pay with whatever tokens you have. Sell your investment ideas, newsletter subscriptions, must-go restaurant list, PDF stickers, scripts, cat photos, and more. Sell anything to anyone. You can sell an idea and format. Create your storefront. Share and manage your products easily. Their partners, tons of partners on here. Certic, BNB Chain, Tilted, D-Mail, Graphalab, crossing storage, UTU network, etc. They have integrations with OKX, Coin98, and Gate. At the very bottom of their webpage, you can find a full link tree. You can find a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and a contact email in case you need to reach out. On the link tree is the Discord, Telegram, Twitter website, just basically the socials and the webpage. Now you can go over to the Naws Quests. So it says, join the Naws Quests and earn points. Future rewards await. So you got to create an account, and there's a login section there. And it says Naws TGE will begin October 8th. So this is a brand new token. And Naws token will mint. Naws Quest will return for Season 2 in time for the Central Exchange listing and additional services. Keep following our official channels. So they have a points history if you start earning points in the quests. And then they have the Sell Anything page, which is the products page that you could find on the Twitter right there. So if you're actually interested in using the Naws page to sell products. So it says here, Naws Beta, sell anything to anyone. So basically it says, by purchasing this test product, so they have a test product here, which is 0.01 USD, you will become a beta tester for the Naws.AI aggregator's P2P payment system. Your purchase history will reflect your participation. The Naws.AI aggregator leverages intelligent algorithms to identify the best prices and aims to ensure secure transactions for digital content. As a beta tester, you will provide valuable feedback to improve the system's performance. Thank you for your participation and contribution to developing this innovative platform. So if you want to try, it's basically 0.01 USD, so that's like a penny US. And then it says, what token will you pay with? And then there's a list of tokens you can select from: BNB, Dogecoin, Tether, Wrapped BNB, BUSD, Ethereum, USD Coin, Solana, Pendle, Floki, Coin98, Venus, D-Mail Network, ELF token, Breeze and IOTX. So those are the ones available for the Sell Anything page and Buy Anything page. And the rest of the info, the rest of the updates is going to be on their Twitter. So if you follow their Twitter here, you're going to see in their pinned tweets, they have a whole section here about the time for the Gate.io listing. You can check that out. They have the contract address in the pinned tweet there if you're looking for the contract address of the token. And yeah, check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.